for aha Ghana TV GH, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to you.
Wajamin kolenum, Bakuko pass, or say my come them wa befi. Baku one cry copy break to school. Minya scan to your school fees. 50 December, ye be a school on call or TV. One my word, mamma in Ayabasa. Moya me sanki to a nam the dog or say. Nam the say, Abapum Sabre, Miss Kanyina Akamu. I'm Pomran and other one, or ya bruni my or to a draw my says any in our boy. No quatam some call him Cocona, Moira Baho. Manspraying a boy, Okunafo, Namsi Council Akam, and then what
And some of these illegalities, because Ghanaians, we made a mistake again to vote for these people, these NDC people, some of these illegalities will go on again. DJ is saying, some of these illegalities will go on again. And we cannot do focal about it. Adentia, we have given them 4 years. And until the 4 years is done, we can't do anything. We can't do focal. We can only sit down and do this and do like this and watch them destroy our dear motherland. Watch them destroy the economy for which Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and then the boss Akufo Addo have fought so much, have sat down hard, sleepless nights. Sleepless nights to ensure say Ghana na fan into Mapa Afra. And then what is going on? Look around you. Cocoa farmers. And say I catch Rome. Cocoa farmers assemble na yanka prior to 2024 election. Me say almost every day na me buy life. Every single day na me buy life. We were telling cocoa farmers say, remember, fertilizers Akufo Addo need Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia buying at the Bremo, mostly for free. Some of diseases that were affecting cocoa trees and all those things Akufo Addo need Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia government under those days na Yera Akoto as a minister of agriculture did so well, say they found solutions to that. Akufo Addo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia government again for the first time ever in history when now the pension scheme for cocoa farmers buy. Bisa over 60 years of independence. Aban bia ambada abedwin cocoa farmers no say you cannot be a farmer all your life. At least who hit 60 a so koji wa home na wo chili kakra was waiting for owu enyesa. But nobody was thinking of cocoa farmers. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Godfather Rush, welcome. I have to call you. I have to call you and worry you small. Okay? Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and in the boss, Omunjun say, let us allow cocoa farmers also to be able to afford pension. I'm getting better small. Thanks for asking. Let's allow them also to secure their pension. And we brought a beautiful pension scheme in the sense that cocoa farmer they will contribute some part of it to SNIT. Now we contribute na abansu di sikabia kanwa ma This is what NPP government was doing for cocoa farmers. That is why some of us right now, I say we are trying so hard, but we cannot feel pity for NDC, cocoa farmers for no. No matter how hard I try, I can just not feel pity for them. Because they know within themselves, say, Akufo Addo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia government, ya boy a modiama. Yababa buy mono. Now 1 sack of cocoa. Now I'm on about 390 cedis. By 390 cedis. By the time we were leaving power, 8 years after now 1 bag of cocoa, I got 3,131 million old currency.
Baba said, "You are bayana betimi aye." And so ya ire ho se ye be yakua. E de ahwe ye daache. E de ahwe ye ma daache. Ye ma ko school no ma ba fie. Me ka kire ko school pass e no abetena fie. O se ma e ko mo de. Me me ba mo se wa fon. E ko mo de no. Sika nyina kakam. ɛda ne yɛnyɛ mahama dada yɛ sɛ woyɛ koko kuani a sɛ wasase so a kɔdɔ bi ka ho dua koko ne no so ɔyɛ twamene ɔpɛ sɛ ɔdada yɛ nti ɔhyɛ da yɛ saa no ɛnɛ yɛdɔfoɔ yɛdua koko ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛtua yɛ ka ada na ɔyɛ saa so ne yere ne ma ɔmo didi na den nti na ɔma yɛ ho kyere yɛ akuafoɔ yɛ ho kyere yɛ nea ɔyɛ no ɔhwɛ yie esan sɛ enipa yɛ no enhyira wom enumie wom ɔhwɛ ne yɛ anome no esan sɛ abufuo ntrasoɔ ɛde numie ɛba sɛ wobɛyɛ adwuma na edu anwum na wɔsɛ wonya aduane di no na wode yɛ fupan na wakɔda na wo ma na ɔmada ɔma numusuo na ɔmada ada na ɔyɛ saa na se nanado enya nanado nyame ɔhyira no na ɔma ne nyincha esan sɛ na ɔdwe akuafoɔ ho nanado kasa sɛ de ɔne akuafoɔ bɛkasa no na wakoma kora tɔ yam tama na ɔtua 3001 no na yɛ pɛ ne saa esan sɛ ebi ankam wanada yɛn tɛsɛ wantete yɛn na ɔma yɛ nkuranhyɛ sanka ɔno na ɔda so wɔ so a anka yɛdu akyire ɔsena nado ɛda akuafoɔ ɔno mo na ɔyɛ daadaafoɔ eti so
almost 10 times the price that we came to meet it at. And we a cocoa farmer. Wise boy, me piki mu nyina. Unchwe ma bi kakra. Unchwe ma bi kakra, mami be 15 minutes. Okay, me piki obia. So we had multiplied the amount of money and now we were purchasing one cocoa bag by almost 10 times. And on top of that, you know, and I had the pension and come plus free fertilizers. Now you see, sometimes greed and so et mema ye mistakes. O adie bia my so weni. NPP took you from 390 and is paying you 3,100. Why again would you go and listen to a force and now catch it or say mobile bet you 6,000? Greed. I agreed. I don't believe in anything say the cocoa farmers were deceived though. Debbie, I agreed. Who cocoa farmer be sound say NDC for only mono. I'm bet you make you 6,500 per bag. NDC. Say minimum. When they were there, how much were they paying you? 390 cedis. Now, nipa na ocha 396 obe catch you say, oh, say them me ba met you 6,500 obe GD. Is it not the person who has done some before? IMPP4, the person who was taking you from 390 to 3,100, that can take you to 6,000. But greed ain't it? You people say quen. Today you are crying. You are crying. And I will see, NPP4, if we don't talk for you, I say we are heartless. Sometimes this heartless, I prefer this kind of heartlessness. You are seeing fire right in front of you. We are telling you, don't go and put your hand into this fire. You are saying, say you want to put your hand into it. Now, do some call Ashiwa who say I should tell you sorry. For the first time, I'm buying to make a talk cocoa. Cocoa farmers. I'm buying to make a free cocoa no. And you know, me phone. I feel I'm in charge. Abayo. Ghana abay. And I John Damani Mahama. Say there, omusi omu ni skanti, omu free cocoa. Omu free cocoa cocoa farmers ho. And as first batch of cocoa, moko G of farmers ni na hono. Abayin say ye ni sky bet you. And every single day, cocoa farmers sorry, no mako, baby na mko to cocoa no. Scanaba, no say debi, no san kofi. There are cocoa farmers right now omu ewo eye BP medication so omu hia sika on the betodro they cannot get money adentia aban be free omukoko aban na nti omuka. There are cocoa farmers right now who are diabetic, who need money to buy insulin. They cannot buy insulin adentia aban be free omukoko aban no nti omuka. And the more these delays are, by the time scan be ready, no, now move. Elections have consequences. And na catch the Ghana for the BIA say elections no have consequences. So we must not take our thumb, the choice that our thumb makes for granted. Okojina ballot paper anymore. Is not something that you do for fanfare. There be about destiny. About the future of all of us. Meanwhile, no, a brag omuka chile cocoa farmer no say scan ni hono. Guess what? Randy Abbey, me fast sika, ekoto brand new Toyota V8 nyensa. Randy Abbey is CEO of Cocoa Board. Catch cocoa farmer no say sika ni hono. Otimi tam sika, ekoto 3 brand new Toyota V8. Now, Toyota V8 baku biya $300,000. Ebusianfo, 3 million Ghana cedis. Ureka the previous money ma, saying 3 billion. O currency no. I mean block it cause champagne we na to asu why. Jimmy for naba. Blocking the fefe. Sa. Ebusianfo. Randy Abbey onu die wenyaska akoto brand new car miensa ama onu ane ho ni deputies. O Randy Abbey timinyaska akoto pickups so baya 122 baku 122 ema mama appointees a omo Cocoa Board honum. But what we kriani no wa usika na omudi no muka chiro se sika bia eni ho. They are telling you say sika bia eni ho. Ubusan for empower tapi because I for be reported live no empower tapi. Sika bia eni ho. Na enya asema enya asem na enya asema anka how come on mind bit say Ghana uko fa obi se oba CEO Cocoa Board honuma uko fa obi a onim shi abakoko and ya be mnya shokra say before ni appointment as CEO of Cocoa Board no we hu Cocoa krada
ono dia wato uko ama no ono na unimu no na ye dia ya tuwa ba ma say Woodra ya nemu na kokuma ye enti ya nemu ha ma so wadada ye no ti on tua ye ka wadada ye no ti on tua ye ka ye wona ye ni awo wona obaka koka ya sa mama ye enti wodi na won tua o ka ne dia wo ka asem ni wie no tua ka wo so ta ba ka usika enti ona bo wona ye ni da wo so wan ti ye sika ama ye ya ni abre ko ona ko ya ni abre ko which means you come major season no cocoa do e betumi atene man spray an ebe you cocoa focus e be 120 acres na I buy the fertilizer eba na me obre me 10 bags enti de mo fam no me so me fam bi masama maka na de mate be de beko in fact ye tu one amon kra nanso se be ye so be tie no e no de e be de
nyame wo ho nyame wo ho betie a ti so tie wo si because ye ni break papa ni e kasa papa yi
with his naked eye. Randy Abe out here DB Dadaba all his life what Accra. He has never been to Volta, OT, Western North, and all the other places where they plant cocoa. Never been to those places before, no. Upe obi a obeye cocoa board chairman, or not CEO, or not the commander. Secondly, even though Randy Abe has been appointed as CEO of Cocoa Board, no, he has still not resigned from his position or GFA. Ghana Football Association, no, the position that Randy Abe was occupying, our Ghana Football Association, Onya resigning here. So how will he have a focused mind to think about cocoa farmers? Or no quantity from two places? Randy Abe no or did he from two places? Or just come from Cocoa Board now from GFA? So how will he have a fixed mind? You cannot chase two things at the same time. But that's John Mahama's government for you. And earlier today, somebody asked me, say, now what was the requirement John Mahama, His Excellency, sought to appoint Randy Abe? And I answered, say, requirement nani say you should be a friend of Ibrahim Mahama. And one no. The only qualification John Dramani Mahama looks at to appoint people, say you should be a friend to Ibrahim Mahama Ayeninua. Mbekaya some few years ago, I think last year, SMBC of Volta region, and the president went to check on them. Or Shia Obino catching the band say, oh, you call the chief of staff, call Julius and come for your appointment. She said, appointment, no. And yes, who call a converti will there be. She said, we are a Busieni, we are Danfo, we are side check, we are baby mama Nkwande, expect your appointment. And I said, when your baby mama Mpo, who are two, who are hips, your appointment will surely come. And for that reason that Obiti said and Sansadalin or Timinya appointment to be part of the board of NHIE. Knowing very well say or any qualification. You ask yourself, then what did the presidency to appoint on tour on hips? And then Ukraine. So cocoa farmers, kuse mamu why? Sorry. But some way, somehow, you deserve it. Cocoa farmers, sorry, you genuinely sorry for whatever you are going through. I know it's very hard. You are going through pure difficulty, unadulterated difficulties. But you deserve it one way or the other. Some of you deserve it. This is the time to say, NPP, we are sorry. And the only way you can say NPP, we are sorry, is to join NPP now and let us consolidate our gains and boot out this incompetent government come 2028. That is the only way to show that you are indeed sorry, cocoa farmers. Cocoa farmers, the new patriotic party, our doors are open for you. Bra, bekayen NPP for, bekayen cocoa farmers, bekayen NPP for. Because yen and the only people that can rescue you. We are the only party when we are in government that thinks about you as a cocoa farmer. Sorry again, once again. I know most of you cocoa farmers are going through a lot. Some of you more rent. Rent Nesu. Where do you get money to go and renew your rent? Meanwhile, Randy Abe is chilling. Or chilly. Or share suit. Tina AC mu. I got a brand new car money. Sorry, okay? Sorry.